Hello everybody, we are back. Fishing family is back on the water. Had a couple weeks layoff there, but we're back. Our itinerary today is we're gonna go private to the reefs and catch some ballyhoo, some live bait, try to catch some live bait, and we're gonna go offshore, do some drifting, do some dropping down deep and see if we can bottom fish for something good. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning right now, so we're a little bit late, but much better than what we used to be. But we're down in Key Largo, John Pennekamp going out. We were going to do Key Biscayne today, but we decided not to because Columbus Day is coming up, so we don't want to get caught in no kind of crowd with, you know, those kind of people. So we like it like this, quiet, peaceful. All right, so we'll see y'all when we out there, see what kind of trouble we can get into. Let's go. Yellow jack. Caleb, move your rod. Hey, what is this? It's not a big yellow jack. No, stop. Let loose. I was just whining too. I know. Hold on. It's loose. I'm on latch point, I think, too. He's loose. Let me get national. Why? Move your rod, though. My rod's out. Your rod's telling Caleb's rod. Yeah, because Caleb put his freaking line.
I didn't have it. No, you brought the fish over here.
I didn't bring him over there. He went over there. It's called walking or swimming, whatever the fish do.
They walk.
They don't walk, they swim. It's called moving.
Why?
Line yours up, Noah. Okay, hold on. Not to get snatched in the water. Wind your rod up. Wind your rod up. That's okay. Wind your rod up. That's okay. Don't worry. You can snatch in the water. No, it's not. That's some big too. Why, Nessie? More, move your rod. I'm trying to move my rod. Don't you see I'm trying to put my line away? Jeez.
I am.
Stand up.
What's that fool doing? What's that fool doing down there?
I see it. It's another yellow jack.
Another one?
Yep. There's more down there, I think.
Where?
Caleb, just stay on this side.
Just drop straight down, Caleb. Maybe you need to let your line out more. Stop touching it. Stop. And then let your line sit. Don't line sit.
Wow, Nash, that's huge.
Yellow jacks.
It's huge.
Can he die for a second?
Swallow the hook too.
You're gonna have to let him go. Why would you fall on a hook, buddy? Never fall on a hook. That's the one fishing rule.
Yellow jack for Nash. You know.
I heard have a size limit.
I heard you eat these too.
I don't know. You don't have a size limit?
Yellow jack for Noah? You know who yours know?
Troy's asking if there's a size limit.
No, I don't think so. I heard people eat these too. You eat these.
They taste good?
I don't know, but people eat these though. We're gonna try them out too.
Really?
We gonna try them.
Really?
Yep.
You wanna try?
We're gonna try them out. Throw this in the water. Okay, just leave yours down the water too.
I am. I got some of that. The one stop.
Do you think they'd be like in the same category as like amberjack?
It's in the same, yeah, some of the same family. Jack Creole, amberjack.
If that's the case, then I don't know. I can't. It's kind of hard to read upside down.
There's no sound in it. All right. Whew. Got 2 yellow jacks.
That's an interesting start to a video.
Interesting start. We're gonna try see if we can get some more stuff, and then we're gonna try to see if we can catch some ballyhoo and go offshore and do some bottom fishing. But first, let's see if some ballyhoo come around. So far, we have no ballyhoo yet. So it's like no wind, it's like calm.
No, there's nothing.
So we're gonna try to go offshore a little bit and drop down and see if we catch something after we fish here a little bit.
Step there.
So this is our plan for today. We gotta get some ballyhoo first. I'm gonna drop some live ballyhoo down offshore. So until we get some ballyhoo, we're gonna stay here. Hope the ballyhoo come in so we can use the ballyhoo net. Grab a couple of them bad boys.
Snatch them up.
All right, so get back with you in a minute. Big Paul. Big Paul can't save you like him.
Hopefully never die.
This thing's serious.
Getting bites? No worm.
Okay, yeah. It's hard. It's hard to line.
Swallow it.
Yep.
Big, like he's like nibbling it. He's like
Hard. It's like
full like
it's a hard picture. It comes back when you're
He
light.
is pulling back. It's pulling hard too. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. He trying to do something. He's trying to do something here. He's trying to do something here. Got it? You think he a man? Oh, he kind of solid. Dang, he got some size on him too.
No?
Yeah, he got. He popped it. He has some size on him.
Huh?
He has some size.
What did it feel like?
Maybe a group or something. I don't know. He has some size. Hold on, that. Tie it back. He popped it.
Yeah.
Y'all better get right out here.
Why did you put a ball in the water?
Hold on. Let me throw this out and tie it back. Let me throw this out. Gotta tie this one.
Move.
Okay, no.
I know you're not.
You can also tie it.
What's like smooth?
All right. Let me tie yours down.
That's yeah, Bill, tough too. You need like fight tough.
Nash on
Huh?
Nash on fighting tough.
But I felt
Tony.
Huh?
Your pole was
My
just, yep. It was on hard. It's pulling hard. Gone?
No.
It was pulling hard. Yes. Something bit you.
That one? What's that? Oh, no. Button.
Speaking of this. I don't know if you need to go.
You on a roll, Noah?
Don't worry, you'll catch one.
I don't know if this man's legal. He
I
swallowed.
don't think so.
You don't think he's legal?
No.
She's a yellow.
Got another rod in it too.
Can't get out of his mouth. This is why I give it to my father, because I can't do this. Oh, he's bleeding all over my. I'm just kidding. I don't think he's legal. He's bleeding everywhere.
Take him off, throw him back.
Oh, we'll wash him off real quick.
I think it's really neat because they got clothes and I think it's really good colorful.
bent now.
My goodness.
Bent
It's
now.
like he's clenching.
I don't think he's trying to keep it because it's like just stuck. Out of grunt. Out of grunt.
Get up on. Go kid, get him. He's on. Calm down, calm down. Relax. Get off? But you're rushing. Okay, relax, kid. Relax. Relax, okay? I'm trying to tell you what to do. You're rushing. You're trying to rush it. Why is it so hard? You're trying to rush. You're like, you're trying to get him. Right. Relax.
Yay. Mel's got that birthday look.
Okay.
We just turned 18.
I
Oh,
think
you
me.
turned 18?
Yeah, you just turned 18? Yeah. You're gonna keep him?
Sorry, little guy. Got a weird, like, angle. I don't know what's going on.
Oh, you can get that out. Come on.
No, it's not like such a weird freaking, like. Like I hooked them weird.
No, it's right in the bottom of your lip.
No, but it's okay. There we go. Sorry, man.
He looks fierce.
What? Okay.
Who was it that got you?
Did I have anything on my leg?
No.
Big, thick current.
Strike right. Cook him. Back right.
My first fish I caught a fat grunt. I caught a big grunt. So see on my second fish.
Nice big current. It's crazy.
That's a fat. So
How you doing, Trey?
cool. Second.
Are you baiting on?
No, I got bait. Give it to Caleb. All right, we still here, guys. We just still fishing around. We'll see you when we catch another one.
Oh, we got a clownfish.
Another reef, one of these reef.
Yeah.
Tile fish.
It's not a tilefish. That's a reef. So I'm trying to get one of these. So I'm trying to get some ballyhoo back here. I see them coming closer, but I dropped my ballyhoo net out. They kind of scattered, so now I'm gonna have to wait until they get closer again, so I can get one. All right. So let's see in a minute.
Caleb caught a grunt.
Nash. Ballyhoo net going. I want to take it easy on Kyle. I'm gonna lead on him. So if you want to run, let him run. If you want to go, let him go. I won't put too much pressure. Just want to let him. Could be a shark. Could be a shark.
Let's pull.
Yeah, when I pull it. Okay. When I pull out. You got off? You got off. You got off. Okay, you got off. You got off. Then you popped it. There you popped it. I have a leader on them. No leader.
Did you have a grunt?
Piece of grunt. Well, you know what? Let's try that again.
Now we know who's in the market.
Alright guys, we're out here trolling a little bit, trying to find something to fish around. So far I don't see anything but buoys and more buoys. There's one there, went about 300, almost 300 feet. So we're gonna keep riding around. I don't see any, earlier I saw birds earlier, but we stopped at the reef trying to get some ballyhoo. And I don't see any birds now. I don't see anything now. No weed, no birds, no nothing. So, we're gonna keep trolling around a little bit and see what we can find out here. And then we're gonna start dropping some live ballyhoo down deep and see what we catch. Alright, so we will get back with you when we get on something, anything. There ain't many people out here today. I would think there's more people out here today. But it's not. So we're here, just riding out. We're gonna keep trolling. Got one rod out, so let's see what happens. All right, get back with you in there.
Now, should you want me? Pull it. Huh? Okay. My. Four. Okay. I'm doing so much stuff right now.
Until
Seven?
no, I think it was good. You start how you say?
Improvising.
Improvising. Yeah. I'm gonna keep hopping around trying to find a reef that works. A whole bunch of them out here. Gotta do is find one that's biting, that have fish biting. And we'll keep trying. Right?
Aww.
Don't break his rod.
He's stuck. Oh, I think he might come out.
You see him?
You said my thing might come out.
Yeah, but Nash's drag is so loose.
The line is so thin.
There, here.
7-0.
Buffalo?
No. There go Nash. Nash got a grunt.
Biting?
Oh my God.
Stuck to it?
Yeah.
It's a grunt.
Say something.
Day.
I was trying to see what the score was.
I like mine.
I still care about watching the games. I like seeing people fumble the ball, no interception. It's fun.
What?
Got
Stab you?
myself.
I don't know. I thought there was a fish in my pool and I wanted to do that stuff.
What'd you do with it?
I do it because I threw it like right over there.
Alright, look, grunt. Throw it back.
No one wants to keep going.
Go home, young man. You got a fin. Another grunt. It's a big one. 50th grunt of the day. You got any friends who are like exotic? Does that make sense? Like, you know any like Jack? Yeah, just out of curiosity, my friend. Skirt. I'm gonna put you back. Sorry for the piercing. I know you didn't want it, but it looks good on you. It adds a character. I'm gonna put you back. Here's something. Yeah. We found a new reef. Found a new reef because the other one, it wasn't really producing. I mean, there was fish, but like it was like whatever. So we moved over here. Yeah, fishing too. but so far it's been grunt. So we're trying to find something else that's not grunt, and we'll get back with you in a minute.
Okay, so I'll put some bit.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow.
All right, everybody, we're back home. Boats cleaned up. Everything's back the way it should be. Ready for next time to go out, whatever that be, depending on the weather. But today we caught yellowjack. Today we went out in the Keys. I was supposed to go to Key Biscayne, but I know Columbus Day is coming up soon. We're like around the corner, Monday or something like that. So I didn't want to get caught in that Miami crowd. So I said, you know what, going to the Keys. You know, so that crowd is not always around in the Keys like that. So, yellowjack, catch and cook. Let's get to it. I caught these yellowjacks right here today. My two sons caught them. Nice size. We're gonna get two. I already filleted one. I got one fillet already. I already filleted one. Not bad, huh? Not bad, huh? You didn't think I'd do that, huh? All right, so this is what we got. All right. I had to take the bloodline out. Oh, water. I had to take the bloodline. I didn't know they had bloodline in them, so I had to take the bloodline out. I never cooked yellowjack. My first time making yellowjack. Okay. Never ate it. Never tried it. But I know people always catch them to eat. So we're gonna try it today. We're gonna see how it come out. Okay. I never tried it. First time. I'm gonna bread it with some panko. Bread it in with some egg, flour, and panko. We're gonna fry it, and we're gonna see how it comes out. All right. So stay tuned. Let me clean this other one up, and we'll get to the recipe in a minute. Okay. All right, everybody. So I was cleaning my second yellowjack, and I realized. All right, everybody. We're back home. Boats cleaned up. Everything's back the way it should be. Ready for next time to go out, whatever that be, depending on the weather. But today we caught yellowjack. Today we went out in the Keys. I was supposed to go to Key Biscayne, but I know Columbus Day is coming up soon. We're like around the corner, Monday or something like that. So I didn't want to get caught in that Miami crowd. So I said, you know what, going to the Keys. You know, so that crowd is not always around in the Keys like that. So yellowjack, catch and cook. Let's get to it. I caught these yellowjacks right here today. My two sons caught them. Nice size. We're gonna get two. I already filleted one. I already got one fillet already. I already filleted one. Not bad, huh? Not bad, huh? You didn't think I'd do that, huh? All right, so this is what we got. All right. I had to take the bloodline out. Oh, water. I had to take the bloodline. I didn't know they had bloodline in them, so I had to take the bloodline out. I never cooked yellowjack. My first time making yellowjack. Okay. Never ate it. Never tried it. But I know people always eat it. And I know people always catching them. Excuse me. catching them to eat. So we're gonna try it today. We're gonna see how it come out. Okay. I never tried it. First time. I'm gonna bread it with some panko. Bread it in with some egg, flour, and panko. We're gonna fry it, and we're gonna see how it comes out. All right. So stay tuned. Let me clean this other one up, and we'll get to the recipe in a minute. Okay. All right, everybody. So I was cleaning my second yellowjack, and I realized you got worms. Let me see if I can show you. This yellowjack has worms See that? See the worms in him? He has worms. So we're not going to eat this one because I don't like that he have worms in him. Can you see? He's got worms. Pass on him. He just kind of creeped me out a little bit. He got worms in him, so I'm not gonna eat him. But the other brother, we're gonna try him out. He don't have any worms. I don't see any worms in him. Nope, no worms. I don't see anything. So he got worms. I don't want him. He's gonna go in the garbage. So we'll try this one right here. We'll try this one out and make sure our cook is well done. So, all right, get back with you. Let's see if we can taste this in yellow jacket. I don't like that wormy. Give me creeps. All right, guys. So I decided to myself, I'm not gonna cook this thing because I lost my appetite with Wormy Boy. With Wormy Boy over there. I was looking at his meat. I was like, I don't know, man. It looks good, but man, this one looks good. But Wormy Boy over there made me lose my appetite. So this meat looks good. This is a good piece of meat. I might add. I don't think it has worms in it. Looks good to me, but I just lost my appetite with Wormy over there. So I don't know. I just feel like I shouldn't eat it. I don't know. I don't feel like getting sick or anything like that. But it's just in my head. I got placebo. I say placebo effect. You know, messing with me. You know. So this is a good piece of meat, though. I mean, out of that one yellow jack, got some good chunks of meat also. You know, it's not bad. Some good chunks of meat right there. You know, that one yellow jack. And it looks pretty good. It's nice and firm meat. Looks good. You know, looks really good. So next time we catch a yellow jack, I'll cook him and eat him if he don't have worms. But this one right here kind of got me kind of creeped out a little bit just because Wormy Boy, he had so many of them in him that I kind of lost my appetite. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching this video. I was going to do a catch and cook, but I should cook it anyway. Leave down the comments. Can everybody comment? Look at this meat and tell me, is it, I don't know if you can see it good. It looks pretty good. But leave down the comments and tell me, should I eat it or not? Should I cook it and try it? I'm not sure. I'm kind of it's all worms. So leave down a comment. Tell me, should I eat it, and I will cook it and try it based on your comments. You say yes, I'll do it. You say no, out it goes. So I'm gonna save it. But leave down a comment and let me know. Should I cook it and try it? Knowing that the other one had worms in it. This one don't look like it had worms, but the other one did. So should I eat it and try it, or should I just let it go? Okay? Leave down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please let me know what to do with this fish. Turn your post notifications on. Please subscribe to this channel and tell me what you guys like about this channel. Alright? So see you next time. Let me know what to do. Okay? And I'll put it on Saturday Night Live. That's coming up. Okay? I'll click it on Saturday Night Live. If you guys say yes, it's still good to eat. Okay? Alright, see you next time. Peace.